Hey, it's Ashley here, and welcome to another episode in my home Reno series. Today's episode is, there's a lot going on actually. So let's just go ahead and dive into this video. One of the main focuses though in this video is the dining room area. So let's start this episode.
My camera angle is a little weird and my hair needs to be washed, but I'm back here at the house again today. It smells so good in here because I am trying to use fabric softener. I was told to try fabric softener to take off some of the wallpaper, so I'm gonna try that today. I got this fabric softener. Someone specifically said to use this one too, so I'm gonna try it. And I already put some in the little pump thing. I don't know what you call it. So I'm gonna try that. It smells so good. So hopefully I'll be able to do this. Today we have some people working on the floors today. So they're just gonna level out the floor in the living room and also the kitchen because we had the tile. They're breaking up the tile, removing that, and then they're just gonna level out all the floors and then add the planks onto the floor. So they should be finished with that before we even start painting and stuff. So then they're gonna like put the paper on top, or we might put the paper on top of it, they'll put the paper on top of it, so we can finish with everything else. So yeah, so right now I'm just about to start with this wallpaper in here again, and then also start to clean up the walls again down here. So I'll be going back and forth trying to get some stuff done. So I found the lid to this, well, the little cover. And now I'm going to start to add this to the wall. Let's see if it works. It says you're supposed to like coat it with a sponge. I'm just gonna use the spray.
So yeah, so what I just started to do was just spray this on top of the wallpaper, and then I just like smoothed it out with my hands, and it smelled so good. This fabric softener smells so good. But that's literally all I was doing, and then I just let this set for a while.
All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the floor. So they have taken the tile up. So over here, he also said that they put the tile over plywood, which was unusual. So I'm gonna be careful in here. So they still have to get all over here. You scared me. And tomorrow they'll be putting the floors in, which is crazy because that will literally be 2 days. But they're more than likely gonna be here all night, prepping the floor, so the kitchen, and leveling out the, I don't know what you call this, oh my god y'all, the boards in here because it's very uneven, to level it out to where we can put them out here. So yeah. Okay, here's my progress in this room, which honestly I feel like it's absolutely nothing, but it is something. This bathroom smells so good. It smells like fabric softener. I keep saying that, but it really does smell so good in here. So yeah, I'm gonna see how much more I can get done. Probably not that much, but we're working. We gotta get all the way up there. Oh my gosh. Oh! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This actually might be working. Oh! notice this is coming off like this because of the laundry detergent. I mean, fabric softener, but it's working.
So like I said, using this fabric softener worked really well. I am so glad that I used that suggestion. So yeah, so this was like literally kind of like the last thing that I really focused on this day. So I finished checking off as much wallpaper as I could, and then I came to the bathroom that we have in the front of the house, and then I started to prep those walls the same that I did with the kitchen. So this is day 2, so I just came back, and the first thing that I started on was where I left off before I left the day before. And again, I am just in here prepping these walls. Y'all, this took so much time, but this is like a crucial step so you don't have any bubbles and stuff like that when you are adding like the joint compound and all that stuff.
Alright, so now I'm back in the master bathroom and I'm gonna continue on taking down this wallpaper. Seriously, I think I've said this before, but death to wallpaper, especially this type of wallpaper, because it sucks taking it off the wall. It is miserable.
Another night, I fall in your sight. Your new eyes cut sharp like a knife.
And here I am back again in the bathroom taking down this wallpaper. I think that this bathroom honestly was the toughest part because these are vaulted ceilings, so there was tons of wallpaper that we had to take down. And this wallpaper was a little bit difficult, but like I said, using that laundry, fabric softener, it helped out, but this still was a task. It literally took us weeks to remove this wallpaper.
So I'm just gonna show you guys real fast. They have taken up the tile right here. So when we do the bathroom, we don't have to worry about taking up tile. So they took it up all in here where the toilet is, all throughout here. So then for the tub, I'm just going to paint the tile a different color. And then this tub, I'm gonna clean it first, but it's like a cream color and I might change it to white. Not 100% sure what I'm gonna do right now, but I know for a fact that I will be doing the tile around the tub though. So the floor is in the kitchen. Oh my god, this looks so much better. Ooh, yes. Over here, we got the floors in the laundry room. Oh my god, these floors look so good. I love this color. And it goes out to here. I'm not quite sure we'll finish it off this way because we might go vertically in here. I'm not sure yet. Alright, so we are back at it again. It's probably like around 5 or 6 o'clock. So I'm about to try to finish. Well, not finish, but I'm gonna try to start in this room, getting it prepped. And taking off the trim in here because that's really not my style. It's very traditional and that's not me. So I'm gonna be taking all of this down and then doing the wallpaper. So hopefully I can get maybe this wall and this wall done, and then maybe that wall over there. But we shall see what happens because I think I should be able to get it done because I got a lot I feel like done today. I did that one bathroom and then I also did a lot more of the wallpaper in the back. So that's my plan. wallpaper right now, so we'll see how far I get.
Don't call me mean, I just want someone to walk with. Someone to lift my wings and kiss my baby body. My desperation makes me termination, baby. Now would you let me
Oh, you can carry it yourself. Oh. Oh my god, this is pretty disgusting actually if I think about it. Oh my god. We're about to come in here and see what smells getting done. Wow. Wait, you got all that paper off that quickly?
Yeah, let me tell you how easy it was to get on.
Yeah, no, but I didn't put any line stuff in here.
No, I was just telling you how
Easy it was to just come off of this one. Wow. Oh my gosh. I wish. And like none of the walls are messed up. This must have been recently done.
That's what I was saying.
Because the other stuff is terrible.
It's like, this came right out. Literally right here. Like, well, it was like in sections. I just took down. I just can't get this piece on the taller on. I just feel like just connected. Your hands are too small to get back.
Oh my god. I thought you were talking about this part. Wow. Okay, well, that was easy, and now that doesn't have any wallpaper, and that peeled off perfectly. So that had to be done recently. But yeah, so we still gotta get up here. Get all the way up there. So I put some of the fabric softener on here, so we're letting it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna try to take some more of this off. It also looks like he took the window decor, I'm gonna call it. This held their blinds up, so yeah, he took that down. So one up there and one up here. And so far over here, I have done this wall. Now I'm pretty much finished with this wall. And then I'm gonna come over here. But I think what I might start doing is taking this molding trim stuff off. They're also still in here working, and they are super fast because they are almost done. They just have like this little piece to do, and they're putting the shoe molding back on in the kitchen.
different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep.
So as you can see, I came in and started to work on the dining room. So the dining room was one area that I was just ready to get demoed. So again, like I said, I wanted to take all of the trim off because I just wanted a clean slate and I really didn't like this trim style. So I'm taking it all down. And so after I moved all the trim around the room, the next thing I did was kind of just start to prep these areas. So I started to sand a little bit, clean it up and all that stuff. And then by that time, it started to get night, and so it was time for me to clean up my area before we left. So we just took all of this stuff and we dumped it in the big dumpster that we had. So I'm the type of person that likes to clean up my area before I leave, although I know there's like stuff that I can just leave on the floor, but it's like, no, I have to have it clean for the next day. So I swept up everything, and then that was that.
All right, so down here we got, where's the light switch? Okay. So down here, this bathroom doesn't have any wallpaper. What the heck did he do? So he finished this bathroom in here, taking down all of the wallpaper. And tomorrow, these came out pretty smooth too. So I just have like a little bit of brown areas to clean up a little bit. So yeah, I mean, this is a big accomplishment, okay? So we technically don't have any more wallpaper except for in the master bathroom.
And so yeah, so that's basically what we did this day. We ended it off again in our master bathroom, taking down more of this wallpaper. So yeah, so that is it. That's all I have for this episode today. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you like this and you haven't seen the other videos that I made in this series, make sure you check it out because they are all under a playlist. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.